Hello guys, the Techie here, and today we are going to install Terminator, which is a fancy terminal and can also do multitasking from the console or from another terminal. Now I'm using KDE, so the terminal is named the console. In your distro, it may be named the terminal. Now, if you are using a Debian based distro, you should watch this video. And if you are using another distro which is Arch or Red Hat, I will put up another video for that as well. So now, as you can see, I have beautified my terminal or console a little bit, but I'm going into the Terminator installation. So that is for another video. So now, just type sudo apt install Terminator and press enter. Now it's going to prompt you for your password, so just enter your password. Now Terminator is already installed on my PC, so it's showing the Terminator is already the newest version. So in your PC it's going to prompt you for yes or no for the installation. You should type Y and then enter. Then Terminator will be installed on your machine. As you can see, this is the Terminator installed on my PC. Thank you guys. So this has been the Techie here. If you like the video, if it did help you install the Terminator, please like and subscribe. The Techie out.